So that is the basic outline, the basic working drawing there. I'm going to create some top stitching just to make it look a bit more detailed. In the layers panel, lock the layer and add a new one. Just make sure it's selected so it's got a lighter colour on it. I'm going to choose the pen tool and select the fill to none. And the stroke to 0.5. If we click on the word stroke, the stroke options come up. So we've got the weight again there. I'm going to choose dashed line this time, so click on the dashed line. And if I draw a line in for the top stitching, you'll see that I have a dashed line. If I click on stroke again, I can change that, so I can change the size of the gap to something much smaller or much bigger, and the size of the actual dash. So I've gone for 2 points there. Looks a little bit better. And the other thing I can do is I can turn on the rounded caps. Yeah, that'll make it look a little bit more like stitching. It's only a representative. And just make sure that the dashed lines go fully around the corners and don't do this kind of weird edge corner thing. I'm going to take that one now. I'm going to copy, Command C, Command F to paste in front. Just drop that one down a little bit, so I've now got 2 rows of top stitching. I'm going to take both rows and put them where I want them. There. So just adjust your gap and the dash until you're happy with how it looks. You repeat that for the curved lines. So remember, Command Z to step back if you make a mistake. Curved lines are slightly harder to get in. You might just need to move them around slightly till you get them where you want them. And maybe you don't have to make them twice. You can copy the whole thing, select both using Shift, Command C to copy, Command F to paste in front, double click on the reflect icon and choose OK, and then just use the arrow keys to shift them along. And you can do the top of the neckline of the vest in the same way. If you're not happy with your neckline, you can go back in, go back to the layer and just select the anchor point and move it up till you're happy with where it is.